All right, we're in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. We're on Coast Guard Beach, and we're gonna try to catch a really big fish. Now we're not having a party on the beach. We're actually gonna use this to fish. We hope. Let's see how it goes. There's our balloon. It's what we have here is a balloon rig. And like I said, we're gonna try to catch a really big fish. As you follow this down, you can see the transition there, swivel into some wire. And obviously if we have wire, that means we're gonna try to catch something with big teeth. And down here, well, they're a little twisted right now, but we got a gang of hooks that we're gonna try to put a big bait on. All right, let's see what we got there. We got a sexy bunker tied up to the gang hooks. Let's see what we get. Well, unfortunately that didn't work. So it's back to the drawing board. Probably need a little bit of wind. We'll try again. We'll mix it up. We'll throw some plugs.